Hey, how you doing? It's Pat here. I am in Conneaut, Ohio right now. I am getting ready to ride a goat. Yes, you heard me right. I'm going to be riding a goat. I know you're looking around. That's Lake Erie, and it won't show up. There's a lighthouse back there. And so where's the goat? Well, it's called the Great Ohio Adventure Trail. This is something I have found on Facebook. They have a Facebook group, and I will reach out to the originator of this route, and if he doesn't mind, I'll put his name here, or if nothing else, there'll be a link to the group in the first comment pinned down below, along with the GPX route. I didn't come up with this route if it wasn't already obvious, but I am going to ride it. I'm doing something just a little different here. I am riding it from north to south. It was originally laid out south to north, so what I have done is I have, to the best of my ability, copied his route as perfect as I can. Version 5 is the route I used to start this, but I'm going from Lake Erie basically down to Cincinnati, Ohio River area where the route originates. If this something interest to you, stick around, stay tuned, and let's get riding. See ya. Okay, now that that intro is over, I just figured I'd give you a quick tour here of the marina where I am starting this Great Ohio Adventure Route, aka the GOAT. We are in Conneaut, Ohio, like I have already said. And we start out in a dirt parking lot, basically. Well, my first real turn here was on Keefus Road, and yeah, I missed it. Had to make a U-turn and come back to it. Oh, wow. And we're on gravel already. Holy moly. I mean, I don't think I've been on the road 4 miles yet. That's amazing. Wow. And we're basically still in Conneaut for the most part. What does this say? Conneaut Creek, State Wild and Scenic River. There you go. Here we are on gravel. I-90 is up there, and we're getting ready to go under I-90. Now here was a surprise coming up on State Road. Even though when I made the right-hand turn onto this road, it was not labeled. But this is pretty cool. Root Road. I like it. The single lane bridge, and you can't see through it. And it turns into gravel, and there's a place to stop to go fishing, maybe. That's pretty cool. Oh wow, an orchard. According to the sign back there, I might be on a covered bridge tour. So what's the name of this orchard here? Brandt's Apple Orchard. How's this for a modern covered bridge? Kind of reminds me of the one they just built near Loudonville, Ohio. I would say this is more of a modern covered bridge, but I might be wrong. Alright, before it gets noisy here, I just finished up what I'm calling Section 1, which the originator calls Section 10. It was a great ride and a great route. I'm sure I did a few things wrong because I made a couple of turns where I saw gravel roads that I bet I probably should have went down. Anyways, if you would, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't, please mash that subscribe button. And we're going to get on with Section 9 as they get ready to mow here.